Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Angelia, and today I'm going to be doing a side part slick back bun. And right now my hair is really dry, and I wanna change my hairstyle because recently I've been doing like a slick back bun, like a little puff like this, and it was really cute, but as you can see it's overdue, so I gotta change up the hairstyle. So before this video begins, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's begin. So the first thing I need to do is take out this scrunchie. And I'm sorry for the lighting, guys. Like, the lighting in my room is so bad, and I just can't fix it right now. But we're gonna have to deal with it. I cannot take this thing out. Like, I can't. I think I'm gonna have to cut it out. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna just come back when it's out because this is not working right now.
2,000 years later.
I finally got it out, but I just put my lamp right here. Hopefully the lighting could look like a little bit better, but this is the state my hair is in. It's really, like, I think it's really tangled right now, and I'm gonna need to do some rehab to this hair because I don't know what's going on. But yeah, let me set my mirror down here so I can see. So I'm just gonna fluff out my hair right now and just get it a little movable. Right here is not movable because, like, that's where I put the most gel. So I'm gonna take my spray bottle, you know, rub it in just to get it away. But yeah, like, basically just try to make the gel get loose. Yo, my hair is looking crazy, like, but I'm not washing it right now, so I don't care. Like, I'm gonna wash it when I come home, but not right now, because I got somewhere to be. So I'm gonna just comb out all of this flakage and stuff. This is really gross. I am so sorry, but this is the reality of having natural hair. Like, if you want natural hair, you gotta go through all of this nonsense, all this flaky residue from doing your hair over every single day. So sorry. I'm gonna be real with y'all on this channel. But trust me, I'm about to show you guys how I revive it though. Alright, so boom. This is how my hair looks. I could put it in a cute little thing, but yeah, just make like a swoop part, like a swoop side part. Ooh, I should have never sprayed too much water in my hair. It's okay though. Is that cute? Okay, Brittany. I find out. But yeah, you want to do like a swoop, like that. And then this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna, like, part our hair all around. This up in a ponytail, the ponytail that I threw. Just spray your hair with water. Since we're using gel, you can add a leave-in conditioner. What I've been doing, I've been using this leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. So yeah, I've been using that. And put it because you don't want to put like gel on dry hair, you know. And now what you want to do is take your gel of choice. I'm gonna be using the, what's it called, Wetline Extreme Gel. Like, I don't know, like, I'm starting to like it. I'm gonna take the white one and I'm gonna just put it all on my hair, you know, all on the sides, all in the back, and then I'm gonna brush it. See, like, look at that sleekage. Get another scrunchie and come back. Got me a rubber band, and I'm just gonna use this for the top. I took the scrunchie out and I just put it in the back like this. So we're just gonna keep parting it in sections and doing it, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm like right here. So let's speed it up. So for this part, you see where the part is? Just put the gel there and make sure your part is like really, really, really defined. So I'm gonna take this comb and I'm gonna repart it. Alright, this is the best I could do. I hope it don't look crazy. And now we're just gonna brush it down. Gotta cool it now. Cool it now. Oh, what you- And now I'm gonna take out the ponytail again and put all the hair in. This is the annoying part, but once you get it down pat, it's gonna be all good. Take all the hair. And if you guys have white residue on your hair, it's okay, it's gonna dry quick. do it that tight yet, because remember, we have to keep taking the scrunchie out. So I'm gonna keep like only doing it like 2 wraparounds. And now we're gonna part this in like small sections, and I want the bang to be like in my face a little, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. It's really hot and I can't even turn on my AC because it's gonna make a lot of noise. So I gotta wait till I'm finished with this hair. I cannot wait to wash my hair. Like, the amount of gel I've been putting in this hair. Ooh. I know my hair is tired. That's why it's looking white and stuff, because it's too much product. Let's see these curls. Let's see these curls real quick. Oh, child. Oh, you can't even see them, but alright. Whose 4C hair is sleeker than mine? No one's. I don't know. Please let me know, cause I don't know, man. I'm not gonna put that in a scrunchie yet. I'm gonna just do all the sections and then put it in a scrunchie. One more part, guys. Aren't you excited? I'm excited. Ooh. I just dropped some of the products. This better come out bomb. I'm not even joking right now. Put it on right here. That's the key, guys. Look at that. Woo! Right. Now we are finished the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Ooh. Let me split this in half. This is gonna give me problems. This egghead has returned. The glasses be falling off. If your glasses don't fall off when you're doing this hairstyle, you're not doing it right. Now, the last side. Okay. Don't be acting up now. I see what you're trying to do. Don't try to embarrass me now. Thank you. And guys, this is not a hard bristle brush. This is a soft bristle brush. So you don't need to be scraping your hair and stuff. You can use a soft bristle brush. Ah, dang. Now, here's the part where you gotta brush everything together so it could be sleek. Woo! Let me get some muscles. Ooh, I'm sweating. It is hot. It is really, really hot, bro. Like, really hot. And even after you put the scrunchie on, you still gotta brush it. Because you gotta set everything in place. So let me put the scrunchie on. Oh my gosh, like my glasses is falling off my face. I'm sweating, I'm hot. Alright. Now here's the big part. Take your gel. Put it, slap it on. Slap it on. You see when you slap it on? Just slap it on. Slap it on. Slap it on. And brush. Brush. Alright, these glasses gotta go now. Ooh, I'm blind. I'm blind. Let me stop saying that. Brush. Brush. See what I'm doing. Can't see what I'm doing. Woo. Alright, so we're gonna do it like this because if you want to keep falling off, then you don't need to be on my face. Brush it on. Brush it. Brush it. Brush it. Bro, that wig dead pulled out my hair. Like, I forgot to tell you guys, it dead pulled out my hair. So I can't even do like the little twisty things that I be doing at the side when I have like sleek hairstyles. I can't even do that no more because it's gone. But I ain't worried about it. It's gonna grow back. My hair will always be growing, so it's whatever. Never bald headed, honey. Yes! Now it looks, oh my god, you see that sleek? Oh! Keep brushing. And I know y'all gonna be like, after I tell y'all that step, you're gonna be like, again? Yes. Again. So yeah, I finally fixed it. This side is gonna keep puffing up because it can't fit in the ponytail, but all I have to do is just tie it down. So, ooh, that's sweat going on my back. But I'm about to do my edges now. Or try to do my edges. I don't have an edge brush, so I'm trying to use this comb, and I have nails, and it's really hard. So just bear with me. Yeah. Just do your edges and come back. Alright guys, I'm back, and this is the final time I'm taking off my head tie because I have to go. So this is how my hair looks with the edges and everything. It's so beautiful. And now I'm about to take out this and then fluff out my hair. Hopefully this is dry so it won't shrink as much. So let's see. Nope, it's a little wet still, but basically I'm gonna be doing this, and then I'm gonna take like my pick or whatever and pick it out. Ooh. How does this look? Like, I can't see behind me. Hopefully it looks cute and whatever. But yeah, this is my hair. This is my hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.